Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Wie zum Geier finde ich eigentlich meinen Link? So. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Time to get copyright striked. Konsoli. Okidoki. Oh, hey Mickey. Yes, I just started a moment ago. I'm gonna quickly prepare a little bit of project stuff and then I'm gonna start explaining what I even try to do here. Let's make this bigger. Move this window out of the way. Okay. Class. I'm having a really hard time on this keyboard because I'm not using my usual one because I left it at work. So let's see. Okay. I have started. This one is an easy one because I just use the type. Basically we have to imagine this one is going to be created on system 1. Some signal R connection, and this one is working on system 2. So I'm gonna run this. Maybe Mickey, can you confirm if the text is readable from sizing here? Okay, this one worked and I have the derived type, which is the important part. So if I now go for base class, Okay, great. Yeah, my internet is not the greatest, so my bitrate is a little bit off. Now I expect the first issues. Yes, he cannot instantiate it because he cannot instantiate the base class. So, what should I do now? I can, let's quickly copy and paste this error message so it is better readable. Yeah, I might need to look into on how to get the. I don't think I can get them bigger. I'm gonna paste important information here and show it a little bit. That's maybe that works. Yeah, it's a 4K. Oh, give me a second. I have an idea. I can just go ahead and scale 175. That's too big. Oh, damn it. That's too big. Can you read this one? This one should be readable for everybody. Can you read the lower text here? Oh, obviously, yes, I have a delay. Okay, then I might have some screen real estate left. Does this look good to you? Especially the small ones. Great. So I want to deserialize something. Maybe I can use the return type. So we get rid of the generics and say type of derived one. Oh, no worries at all. I'm just gonna ramble about and see who's joining and what we are doing. Okay, let's see how this one works out. Oh, we got this one working. So now I do need some kind of envelope. So I am the random YouTube. Okay, we now got some envelope. No, nothing to sorry about. I mean, I don't stream for zero then. I got a new envelope and the JSON is this one. And the type equals instance.getType.fullName. Let's see. So this JSON does not exist anymore, but I want to let's just first take a look. What do we have in our envelope now? So our envelope yeah, that's basically an issue I had today in the last 20 minutes of work, and then I realized I'm late for going home, and so I cannot stop here. So the type is derived one. Am I now able to use the envelope.json. Type.getType, and I can look for let's see. Maybe I just solved the problem with a clear mind. Oh yeah, damn it, I did. I did it. So basically, can I now go ahead and say as base class? This one bothers me. Let's see. Yes, I got it as base class casted, but the actual type is derived one. So let's go ahead and put you into your own classes, and then you got namespaces. Move and move, because I don't like to have all the stuff in one place. And I mean, my basically biggest issue now is it does work. I just solved the damn problem. Yeah. We have another thing like public abstract class some deep base. If this is this still working? I mean, who knows at this point? Because that's the structure I have. So yeah. This was a little bit too quick for my liking. Oh, JSON is a string. Yes, yes. Can I now go ahead and put all this logic in my envelope? So I got a string type and a base class object. So in this one I'm gonna say that's looking like it's working. This one is the JSON constructor, and this one is type equals type, private string get JSON. I mean, I can basically do this one. Shouldn't this work? Oh, yeah. I need to make a type out of it. Just ignore all the warnings. String, yes. Oh. Damn it, who are you? System.type. A bit of unfortunate naming, but it should work now. So, let's see. We just... see, we did delete something. We have our instance. We instantiate it. We then... flatten it and serialize this one. Then we deserialize into a envelope. And the instance is inflated.getObject. Let's see if this one does have trouble. Okay, we got the... it looks fine, I guess. Let's give derived one some property. Public required string name. Something like this. He's gonna complain here somehow, yes. Hi YouTube. Blah blah blah. And it, yes. That's where stuff. In get object, yes. Okay. Let's see if I go back here. Serialization was missing required properties. So basically this one didn't work properly. JSON is empty, but the object that's where we run into issues. Okay. That's the issue. That's the issue. That's funny. He does serialize to base class. Let's see if there are any. Let's see. JSON serializer options. Allow trailing commas. Yes, we allow converters. Buffer, condition, dictionary encoder. Include fields. I'm basically gonna just try. So we can use this breakpoint and just do it again. Let's look at the JSON. It's still missing the property name. number handling. Gets us the creation handling, property name, naming, reference handler, type info resolver, no, unknown type, unmapped. Okay, that's basically a Google issue. That's interesting. Huh. That's basically what I need to solve. That's basically system text JSON. Yep, that's about it. Yes. We could try this solution. Just want to take a look into what it gives me as type. Because, I mean, how often do we really use this one? It's derived one, so boom, the JSON now contains it. It is just, oh yeah, because he gets the type and he just assumes it. Now we override his type. Let's see how much more does work. I mean, I have my, looks like I have finished my personal assignment, which I'm now basically I just saw your screenshot on the on Discord. Looks interesting. I really can't get to be a friend of YouTube, of Unity, but if it works, I mean, why not? So basically, just wrap it up, go home and go to bed is not an option. So this issue is solved. I'm gonna go ahead and zip this up and send it to myself on my workplace. So I then can, I need to close this one. And now I have to send this to myself. Great. So, what do we do? What shall we do with the drunken sailor, they said. And the drunken sailor says, I'm gonna do some Maui development. If anyone is still listening, I'm gonna do some Maui. Yeah. Where's my cat? My tablet holder. I don't know. Let's see. Just preparing the Mac. I did say, where's my cat? I have 3D printed a tablet holder and I can't find it. I'm gonna do some Maui development for iOS if you are interested in such stuff. So, because for this to be able to run, we need 3 solutions running. We need a database, we need a Mac, and if we want to test something, we need my remote server also. So you are in for a really funny ride. Okay, just in case if we need this one. So, the first service we are looking at is my worker service. It is basically just a big Orleans service. We just ignore the details for now. We want to work on Maui stuff. I want to implement a method to detect the SSID and the IP address of the Wi-Fi the phone is in. I did implement this for Windows and for Android, but now it is required for me to use on iOS. Then I can go ahead and make my first local deployment at home. So the worker is running, the API is running, and now we wait and see. Mobile. Let's go and get my tablet setup. Open the app. And we are here. Let's pair to our Mac. My Mac, not ours. It's mine alone. I'm really interested to see how this works out. Yes. Come on, give me connection. I want to be connected really, really fast. Okay, I need to turn the window. It's starting to get warm in here. Oh yeah, I did an update of Visual Studio the other day in hope to fix an issue. Come on. Make me happy. Happy, happy, peppy. Okay. I just need to get the app onto debug here. I'm serializing this variable and hope to see some information pop up. Basically, it's gonna be a little bit of research. And we will see what happens. Somewhere we need to find some information about the Wi-Fi. If we get this, everything is fine. The Wi-Fi feature basically allows us to be able to, the app to identify in what Wi-Fi it is. Currently it's not perfect, but it's close enough for me. So it can decide if it's gonna try the direct route or if it's trying the remote route via proxy. And if this one works, basically there is not much to do. I mean, I have a few smaller issues to go. But then I can do my local update my local system and see where this takes me for next version. Then I should be possible for me to just turn on and off my lights from anywhere in the world, basically. If this is working properly. I mean, there are some issues where I need to make it more stable. But for now, I think it should be okay then. I mean, as any software, it just needs some iteration and on later use, it should get stable eventually. Yeah, the build is taking ages. I feel like I have messed up some settings, but I cannot really, I'm not really sure. So let's see. Launching the app. The app launches on my tablet in front of me. It works. It's taking a long time. Resolve pending breakpoint. And okay. I'm in the app now. I'm hitting save and the app crashes. Shit. Where? I mean, a crash is a good thing, I guess. We need to just... Oh, newtons of JSON. Resolve... Oh. It did really crash here. Damn it. Okay. Then we don't serialize it, I guess. And look where we crash next time. Really interesting. I mean, makes sense, yes. But why? I mean, wow. I just want some information. Nothing more. Just some information. This call set is on iOS 14.2. On iOS 14.2, but deprecated on 14.0, which is not good. Let's see. Let's see. There must be some information somewhere. App is launching. Great, great. I'm gonna clear this one, hit save, and yes, there was a issue testing the URL. Is there some breakpoint hit? No. No. Okay. Null reference exception for the dictionary one. Line 25. Like here it is. So we're gonna break here. We see, I want to see this hotspot network. We get there. We will get there. I mean, give me a second. I can cancel this build. There shouldn't be any issue to get this manager up there, because this stuff is on its own. Oh damn it! I cannot stop the build. Oh no! Oh, I can stop the build. Really quick hint: if you have issues with your studio, you need to kill the ms build subtask, and then the build has properly cancelled and you can just rebuild. Doing mobile stuff is finding issues and solving them. Mostly finding issues. Solving is optional. Silence! From Ahmed, the dead terrorist, but oh, that's an old one. I don't think anyone remembers this one. Let's have a look. It is launching. Really, really slow, as usual. Clean, hit save, and hit a breakpoint this time. No crash, no crash, maybe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit the breakpoint. Yes, we did expect. Okay, let's see. What did... Wow. I have some feeling this manager does not work with me at all. What's your problem, mate? Come on. Do. Yeah, I mean, I have no fucking clue what's in there. Okay, let's not look at this one. He is some nasty guy. See, a location manager I think I worked with in some context for a iBeacon test. was basically the test to triangulate positions. But as it turned out, the ones we ordered had all the same values in it and were basically not usable for this task. iOS would be such a great platform if it wouldn't crash in Studio. I mean, cross-platform stuff, but I'm using an iPad, I'm using an iPhone every day. It just works. That's a big one. It just fucking works. Oh. Yep, we're gonna hit the breakpoint. And we look into the manager. If this one is crashing us too, then I have no idea. Oh, it's staying alive. The question is, what do I look for in here? Let's ask Google. Let's just open a few of them. And see what sticks. First one. Ooh, is this bright? Captive network is deprecated, yes. Okay. I mean, I am just up for a test. My info plist should already have the proper values in it. Let's see. And as location when in usage description, yes. We got this one, we got this one. And then captive network. Then should this one then work then? Just like that? I mean, yes, maybe, no, who knows? But I'm not sure. I already request the permission through Maui, but I requested already. So let's see. Let's see what this one is bringing to us. Hello, lonely viewer. Feel welcome. Yep, we are waiting for the breakpoint. Let's see, locals. Status is okay, but the dictionary doesn't return. So we're gonna just go ahead and let's see if there's anything in there. I mean, let's do it like this, and we don't need this now. We are just gonna play curious. Should be some place where we could do this, I guess. Oh, 2 viewers. Okay, that was a fluke. 1 has left. I mean, we test on a real device right now, so I think if we got this one from debugging, we should be fine. I mean, error handling aside. If this one doesn't work, it just assumes we are, if it crashes, it assumes we are yes or no. Oh, let's see. Maybe I'm gonna make this configurable. So, like a optimistic, pessimistic way, if this one is crashing or having issues. Come on. Yep, breakpoint. Supported interfaces. It's EN0. And yeah, it doesn't work. It just plainly does not work. So this captive network is just out of the equation for me now. Okay, Android, yada yada yada, that's Android, that's Android, yes, we do not care. Android, we do not care. Captive network, this one makes... yeah, that's basically the same code we have here, but just made fancy. Have a good night, man. Take your rest. Oh, capability for Wi-Fi information. See ya. Good night. Capabilities. Okay. How to do this one? uh, is this really Xcode? Okay, so I think I need to do some login. Apple developer. Okay. Nope, you don't see this. You don't need to see this one. Da, 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 da. Yes, allow. Yes, I wanna trust my... I think I need to regenerate all my certificate stuff. Let's see in identifiers, this one. Yes, there it is, the checkbox. Save, confirm. I need to regenerate my certificates. Provisioning profiles. Here it is. Which one am I using? Which one am I using here? iOS. I do use... Okay, this one. Yes, it is invalid. Edit. Yes. Include devices and save. Download. And the production certificate is also invalid, so I'm gonna regenerate this one with my distribution and save it and download it. So now I need to get the certificates from A to B. These two. Do I have my... Yes, I have my trusty. Copy paste. Take the stick. Put the stick. And let's see, what did you write? Okay, there's still someone here, so someone is lurking. You can, if you want to, talk to me. I would not hurt you. I need the file names, which I copied at the moment. It's this one. this mobile provisioning and this one. I'm gonna import both of them in Xcode. And then I for sure need to disconnect this one. I need to do something with entitlements, which I have no clue. Both should be included now. So let's just connect and see what's happening. I mean, can't be too difficult, I guess. But it makes sense to make it explicit. Okay. What capabilities can I now use? I mean, I don't think anything has changed here. No. Try again, but we need, for sure, we need to change something. Give me 1 second, I need to be away for a moment. Seems like the situation has resolved. We can continue. Just in time. I do not expect any changes now yet. Let's see. They are both valid. That's great. 2025. That one's not up to date, but maybe that's an limited by the certificate. Okay, looks good to me. Let's connect again and hope the app wants to start. If not, we need to get some debugging in. Not too much. In about 15 to 20 minutes I'm gonna head to bed. My initial issue is solved. Come on, let's have some positivity. There must be some way. I mean, maybe we need some entitlements, but I never worked with them, and I guess we figure it out quickly now or tomorrow. So I see the splash screen, the assemblies get loaded, and fingers crossed. Yep, okay, that was just a local issue. Let's see how we get along here. Yeah, there's still nothing. I just assume it's missing entitlements. So we just gonna change Samurai iOS. Entitlements by access Wi-Fi SSID. Working with entitlements. I mean, we should find this. Yada yada yada. Sandbox rules, entitlements, request, expand sandbox. Yes. Expand capabilities must be provided to apps entitlements. Okay. Only certain capabilities can be extended. Entitlements are passed to the system as a key value pair, and only one is required per capability. The reference later. Visual Studio provide a clear interface. Bundle identifier, yada yada. Double click on the entitlements plist file. That's a good one, because we don't have one. Let's see if we can add this one. No. Let's see. Nope. We do not have one, and we cannot add one. Yes, great. So the bundle identifier for info plist is already existing. Capabilities. Right click on a controller to move it. No. Background. It's not a background mode. Maps integration. No. Advanced. Okay, that's a funny one. Oh, adding a new one. Add new file on entitlements added. Well, this file include by default are missing from older project. Yeah, it's a new Maui app, and that's an older project, and it might be missing. New file, property list. Let's see. iOS, no, Maui. Let's see. Property list. No. I mean, why would it work as we expected? Yeah. Maui, sandbox, blah blah blah, yada yada, environment. See? We need to add this file. Okay. Platforms iOS entitlements.plist in a XML file, yes. Yeah, this looks about right. No, it can't be. Yes, it's missing its content. So we open it with an XML editor, paste this one in, close it, open it up, and it works. Access Wi-Fi information. Great. Done. Look at it in XML because I'm curious. We got this. So, I mean, we basically hope. Whoever is looking at this stream right now, who are you? Let's talk to me. If you found to me through Discord, you can write me on Discord. If you cannot chat here, or you can chat here, or I don't know, however you please. But make sure on Discord to ping me because I don't know where you are writing me, from what channel. So, app is starting. Come on. We're gonna be optimistic right now. We are here. We take this one and say save. And we are here, and I have... Ooh! That's a dictionary. That's a dictionary. Come on. We got... Let's take a look in this. There's a string, which is... Oh, come on. No one can read this stuff. Things, happy things, everything is fine. I can see my SSID. That's great. I can even save my BSSD. Do I want to save this? Do I want to save this one? No, I don't need. I can use the SSID. Okay, we ditched this one because I'm gonna request this location in usage on app startup. No one cares right now. So this one is all gone. And I need to take a look on how the heck I did this in Android. I'm just is in local Wi-Fi. And yes, I need to give me a second. One moment. Oh. Yes. Yes. I need to get my... So, I'm gonna store the SSID here. So, we got some null safety in there. I'm gonna suppress this issue. No, not like this, not like this. Because we basically have to use it right here, and if that's the issue later on, we can get this one. Okay, let's get you on nullable string. Use var. That's the issue. If item is null, because it can be, continue. So, here we use implicit type, and I prefer pattern matching. So, if not, okay, let's see. Let's try extract a method. Okay, we just get the best matching one. We invert this if, and we invert this one, because I hate nestings. And we say, okay, can't get interfaces. Item is invalid. Can't get info. I'm basically assuming right now that I have only one connected Wi-Fi. If it's otherwise, yeah, so may it be. Okay. So I get the SSID and get my IP address, which is basically also somewhere there. I did it right here. My part is a byte array, which is basically a 3-part v4 IP address. The whole system only works in v4 because v6 is just a cluster shit. So, and because I'm lazy, get the Wi-Fi IP address. local IP address. Don't try to get device IP address. Why not? Yeah, that's basically why I'm iterating the interfaces. While I'm iterating the interfaces, do I get... I mean, there must be some information in there. Okay, yada yada, yada yada, yada yada. Yeah, you told me to blah blah blah. Let's see what we find here. There must be. Ah, that's the same one again. Yeah. I mean, yes, I get it. I did write some code, I know, for Xamarin. I mean, it's the native API, get IP address. Yep. A wireless LAN connection or a LAN connection, which is both. No, I just want to support Wi-Fi because that's the address info. Let's see if I can find it. I mean, if I do not find anything, I'm defaulting like on Android to 0.0.0.1. And it's basically skipped because it's a hard-coded value and I'm gonna find it again. So let's see if I get the IP address here. Most likely I'm finished for today. I found everything I need, and why then? Why should I then change? I mean, yeah. Pew pew pew. Are we gonna land here? Yes, we did. Wrong breakpoint. We got here. Let's see. Hello? 253. Let me quickly check on my Wi-Fi management. If this 253 device is my iPad. Yes. don't want to. Yes, come on. I really hate this one. I do not want to. Come on. The app updated and I could not get to my stuff. So I have 25 connected devices currently. Yes, ma'am. Roomba, Pixel, Shelly, unknown. Cable, Wi-Fi. 253. Could be red. So it's string 0. So if let's see, what did we do in Android? Oh, IP address, I mean, yes. And then we return we do this one, and I'm such an idiot with this keyboard. So I get my IP address and I get my SSID. Oh damn it, that's gonna be one of the cleanest methods used. So what I'm doing, let's see. I basically just need to set this marker. So part is IP, and this one equals my stored network. Okay, done. Done. And for storing, it's just writing in these 3 fields. So that's it. This system now should be able to determine if I am in my local Wi-Fi. I'm going to uninstall the app just to get a really plain test. And start it again. If this one works, I'm gonna go to bed. If it not works, I'm also going to bed, but slightly more disappointed. Yeah, using capabilities is kind of an interesting feature. I like this. I know an app where I can use this one. Oh, I can use this. That's a good point. It's deprecated, but at some time in the future I'm gonna revise this. But for now it's more an issue of getting things working stable-ish, and later we just finalize this stuff. And I mean, how many apps do you see out there where stuff is deprecated and used for years? I even do this sometimes, and it just works. I mean, why should I then not use this one? So basically now, if we just you look at the logs right now, it's gonna do startup, and after startup it's presenting me a pop-up which I'm gonna accept. Then I accept the, yep, that's not important right now. Then I accept the permission for location, and I am going to connect to my local API. I'm gonna hit the breakpoint right now. Is in local Wi-Fi. I cannot be because my stored network info is null. So I basically do not have anything right now. But I should, yes, I need to allow this one. Okay, I need to do this again for local. I have no network info. And now I have stored my network information. My LAN and properly. So if now I'm gonna go ahead and authenticate with my default user, and then I should be in the correct Wi-Fi because my stored network information has the range of 192.168.0. I'm gonna just quickly grab a screenshot. But I'm gonna, give me a second, I want to open this one. I know someone I want to send this. Yeah, I mean basically we won. It's everything is fine. I can now delete this breakpoint because the app is gonna go ahead and do a little bit more over and over again. And I'm sitting in my office. I'm gonna activate the light and deactivating the light. Ah, yes. We did solve this one. Okay, this one worked. This one worked really great. There are two things I need to do right now. I have to commit this one because I want to. Yes, that's on debug. I'm gonna use my local URL for testing purposes. The full implementation here. I need to clean up the unused usings. Yes. And this one. Info plist has the location in use and the bundle identifier. I can basically revert these two lines. Okay, then stage this line and stage this line and revert the rest. Damn it, I killed the file. But that's not an issue because we quickly do solve this problem. I should have just gone ahead and now it's maybe better. Okay. Yes, we staged also, and the full diff is this one. Should look good, but we're gonna test this in a second. And we added this entitlements. The according ticket is called 61. We can push this one, and I quickly want to test if everything is still working. So we're gonna clean really quick, then we deploy, and then it's time to end the stream on a high note. I solved 2 problems for my day. It doesn't get any better. In fact, I'm gonna know it's gonna be a long and hard night. So I'm not ashamed to go bed early. In the meantime, we close the other 2 solutions. For the update, I need to do some rigorous testing anyway, so we will see. But as it seems, I did not destroy anything. I'm quickly uninstall the app while it's building, so I can make sure the string I put in is correct. Okay. It moved along without me. Where are you going? I want to be with you. Okay. Everything is on sleep mode. My Mac, my iPad, my phone. 21:30. Time to go bed. Yes. It's working. It's really, really good working. So, yes, allow while using the app. It's time to close up. I don't know who was the brave man who stayed with me all the time. You are gone at the moment. You have stayed a long time with me. And thanks everyone, you one who watched it. And everyone later in the recording, if you made it this far, just tell me the number 17. And I know that you looked at it. Goodbye.